Hey there, you've just received a Venmo payment from a friend for that concert ticket you split. You're excited to have the extra cash, but how do you actually get it into your bank account? Hook. Ever wondered how to turn your Venmo balance into cold, hard cash? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo deposits. Context. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money. But what happens when you want to withdraw those funds? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once you're in the app, look for the balance section. This is where you'll see how much money you have in your Venmo account. Step 3. Select Transfer. Tap on the balance section and you should see an option to transfer. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Choose your bank. When you select Transfer, Venmo will ask you to choose the bank account where you want the money to go. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do so. Linking a bank account. Linking a bank account to Venmo is a simple process. You'll typically need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Venmo will verify your account to ensure it's yours. Step 5. Enter the amount. Once you've selected your bank, you'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. You can choose to transfer your entire balance or just a portion of it. Step 6. Confirm the transfer. Before you hit transfer, Venmo will ask you to confirm your details. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Processing time. Typically, Venmo transfers take a few business days to complete. However, in some cases, it might happen faster. You can check the status of your transfer in the Venmo app. Fees and limits. It's important to note that there might be fees associated with Venmo transfers, depending on your bank and the transfer amount. Additionally, there may be limits on how much you can transfer at once. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble transferring money from Venmo, there are a few things you can try. Asterisk, check your internet connection. Asterisk, make sure your bank account is linked correctly. Asterisk, verify that you have sufficient funds in your Venmo account. Asterisk, if none of these work, contact Venmo's customer support. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Asterisk, consider enabling instant transfers for a faster deposit time, but be aware that there may be additional fees. Asterisk, if you need to transfer money urgently, you might be able to use a cash pickup service or a debit card linked to your Venmo account. Asterisk, always review your transaction history to ensure everything is accurate. Conclusion. Depositing money from Venmo is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By following the guidelines we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to easily transfer your Venmo funds to your bank account. Call to action. Do you have any questions about Venmo deposits? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful financial tips. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.